Welcome, here I've got Vivo V21 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's go to the right corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings. At the first place here we have the sound option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off, and when we move back to the camera, when I take another picture, we can't hear the sound. And of course when we tap to right corner settings once again to the sound, we can turn it on and hear it. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.